Good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back. Good to see you all, everybody. Hopefully everyone's ready for another exciting morning trading at Cyber Trade University. Good to see you. Welcome back, everybody, on YouTube, Facebook Live. Good to see you, Bob, Brad. Good, though. It's nice to be back. I'll tell you, I was down in Florida. I can't believe how cold it was. I mean, I was in Jacksonville, our other location, corporate office up in Florida. But it was cold over there, too. I thought I was going to at least finally get a little sun, but obviously it didn't really work too well. But it's nice to be back. I heard you guys had a good day yesterday. A couple of good, nice little moving stocks out there. And we're going to check a few of them out. We got a nice little runner going on right now with this stock right here. It's a nice little push right here on this LITX. Just going to push this up so we can see the level 2 a little bit thicker. But nice little run on this stock from $8.40. I mean, think about it, from $1.40 to $3. My God, that's a huge winner. What was nice about this too, there was a lot of good orders out there. And a lot of nice little pre-market, nice little level 4 action. We're going to check it out in a little bit. But let's start off talking about what happened yesterday, because there were a couple of stocks that did make some nice moves, and then all of a sudden things got pretty exciting on some stocks. I want to start off talking with the HOTH. So that stock got pretty hot. Let me just bring up a 2-day chart so you guys can see a little bit more. There we go. Blow this up. So you can see right here at 9 o'clock, you had a really, really nice little pop here early in the morning. And then all of a sudden it did this little bit of slingshot and came right back down. But it was a nice little cheap little runner in the pre-market where it started at 9 o'clock, right around here, around $1, and ran up a nice little move, 65 cents. Nice little call right there. But then it was pretty much done after that. So it was one of those stocks that had a big pop, and that was it. Another stock that we had, then obviously it also got halted. RELI. So this one had a really nice push in the middle of the day. So listen, we all know the most volatile times are the first hour and the last hour. But here's one of those stocks you could see kind of had a nice little push right around after around 10 o'clock. It just ran from like $7 up to $8.20 and had this really big pop right around here around 1 o'clock around lunchtime. Went from $8 all the way to $10. Nice move right there. Also, Ford also I heard did really, really well. Ford obviously holding really strong. Great pre-market trading. You could see that coming a mile away right there. We all know how important it is to trade the pre-market to get the sense of direction. And then you could see it did a nice little slingshot right there for about like 10, 15 cents. And then boom, from 9:35 going on all the way to about 11 o'clock. I mean, thing had shown no mercy, just kept going all the way to about $24. Really, really, really nice move right there. So that's what you missed yesterday. And like we always say, yeah, that's the past. Turn the page. Let's focus on the future and see what's going on today. So we got a couple of stocks that we're moving. I don't have a really big list as a pre-market goes, and this is pretty much normal going into the first week of the year. You could see the Dow is literally, I mean, flat, then flat, then flat. I mean, right now it's down 6 points. How that's for the Dow to be at 60,000 and 36,000 and 700, ish, being down like 2 points. I mean, literally it's not going anywhere. So, but there are a couple of stocks that are moving this morning, which we'll keep an eye on them. So we got the LIXT. Okay. So that one, you could see it. I mean, listen, we only need one, right? So that stock's got some big volatility. Just want to bring up level 4 here really quick and just let you know what we got going on. So you can see we got a big iceberg order that kind of held in. A guy just popped in around $3. You got about 37,000. When we started making this run early this morning, you could see this is pretty cool. There's a 515,000 share buyer at $1.60. Well, $1.60 realistically, when you're at 270, is worthless. Okay, so it could be a dark pool right there, but that is a pretty big order. You could see the guy was out here earlier and he kept adding to it, but not really that much. You could see, not as big as his 32,000. I mean, 32,000 plus 6,000, whatever. You got 40,000 there, but that kind of explains why when it hit the 9 a.m. high right there around 3, it backed off all the way down to 260. But stock's got great volume. I like it. We'll keep an eye on it. Love that 500,000 share buyer out there too. MYNZ is another one that's moving pretty nicely too. Stock is a new IPO. It hasn't been around too long, but the stock is more category 4. It is pretty volatile here. You could see it had really good pre-market right around 7 a.m. and then right around 8 a.m. had that nice little push right there. It was on the watch list this morning. So if you got in around 8 o'clock and you got in around $18.70 or $19, listen, if you pull a buck out of that, that's pretty much it. But you can see tier size are really, really small. So you want to be careful, which, by the way, just to remind everybody, Josh is going to be doing phase 3 and today. And I know a lot of you guys are going to look forward to it. Rich just posted a link. So, one of the big things that we always have to focus on is the 3 T's: tradable, trend, and trap. So if the stock is not tradable, it's, you got to know what category you're in. Otherwise, you could blow up your account. One of the biggest things that we teach here is, like I always say, it's not teaching you how to make money. It's teaching you how to stop losing it. LGVN, I thought this was a pretty good stock earlier. I saw this in pre-market. Stock had a really nice move right around here, around $3. You could see we traded the stock back in November. Some of you remember it. Beautiful run up, $5 to 45. I got a little disappointed. I thought the pre-market was going to be a little bit better on that one. Let me just go let me just go punch it in and see what's going on what the institutions are doing right now in this stock. If they just have, it must probably be a big iceberg order somewhere around there. All right, so we got a ladder effect that's going on. You got a big seller out here for 10,000. You can see these guys out here, 13,000. There's a couple of people out there buying it. This guy kind of really held it. Yeah, I figure it made sense. 1430, right around there. As of right now, I don't see any buyers out there, so not really a fan of that. Got a buyer 15 bucks for like 25,000. So got a, well, let's check it on the heat map. That's not bad. So kind of makes sense. 15 is right there. You can see it right there. That's the reason why I kind of hit that resistance and backed right off. 1450 is right around here. Is that right? $14. Got sellers out here. Kind of right around, it's kind of holding it pretty tight right there. So listen, those guys get taken out. Definitely want to be interested. Another little stock that looks a little on the cheaper side, got good volume, 2.1 million shares. Just had a nice little pop around 830, ran from 636 up to 725. Another stock that, not the greatest trending as of right now, but pretty decent move as in what's going on pre-market. Love the volume, 2.1 million shares. It's a lot. It's a lot. It kind of makes sense. We had, I'm looking over here, big iceberg order was sitting there right around 830, about over 10,000, 15,000, right around 720. So you could see it. That's why it's backing off. Starting to build a little bit of a Fausto flag on the downside, just say like a triple top. So big buyer just came in a little bit right here. So yeah, you can see it. That's why it's going up right here. All right, that looks pretty good. So listen, it's not a big list. That I expect this the first week, coming back from, a major holiday. But I think next week things will start picking up. But best place to be is definitely jump into class. Somebody on YouTube just brought up, could you check out this stock, MYNZ, which I just did. I just brought that up. So I don't know if I missed that out. Sleepy Fish Bear, whoever you are out there. Yeah, that's my thoughts on that. Anything else I'm missing? Fausto, what about your thoughts on NKLA? So I had NKLA on the watch list this morning, and right around 8 o'clock, I saw a little action in it. So it had a little bit of a pop from like 1060, ran to about 1080. It's, it's on the swing side. It has some nice support levels right around 10, kind of holding here strong for a long time. Only going all the way back since August. But as a swing trade yet, I'm not completely sold. I'm not completely sold. Regarding Grant, regarding about the LIXT, it's starting to make a higher low. You know what I mean? You can see how it's starting to back off. So that's, I would want to be a little concerned about that. I mean, listen, stock is up 100%. All right. Did I go over? Somebody on YouTube says, did I go over LIT? Yes, I did. There it is, right there. Okay. Just to kind of show you out there. Absolutely. So listen. Norman just says DT. Oh yeah, let's check it out. Norman says DTST just popped. Yeah, 29% million shares. Yeah, absolutely. This is obviously a program trading. We know 9 a.m. is obviously one of them, and definitely going on a watch list. Good call. Trained you well, Norman. Getting a little bit of a pop also in that IMMX just had popped. That one just popped too. Just got a big pop right here on that one too. So, yep, Charles just saw that. So it looks like, listen, you know what? Looks like we got a little action going on. So looking forward to it. So some of you are going to have some good day. Hopefully you're going to have a great day trading with Josh today in phase 3. Once again, if you're watching YouTube, Facebook Live, if you ever want to come and join us, just like us, friend us. You could always do a trial here at Cyber Trading. Join our trading room. Cyber traders, let's get ready for the market to open up. We got about a little more than 15 minutes. And like I always say, you see something, you say something, all right? Let's work out and always work together like a team. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Enjoy class today.